In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Figma. If you're tidying up a design or preparing assets for handoff, merging layers is a great way to simplify your file and make complex selections easier to manage. In Figma, this is done with a command called flatten, which turns multiple selected layers into a single vector layer. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can see your workspace. Once you're in, look for the option labeled All Projects. Clicking this helps you quickly browse everything you have access to, whether it's personal files or team projects. Next, choose the project that contains the design you want to work on and click to open it. You'll land in the file view or directly on the canvas, where you can see your frames, components, and layers in the left sidebar. This is where we'll make our selection before merging. Now, select the layers you want to merge. You can do this on the canvas by dragging a marquee over the items, or in the Layers panel by holding Shift and clicking multiple layers. Make sure the layers you pick are the ones you truly want combined, because flatten will turn them into a single object. This is especially important with text, since flattened text becomes vector outlines and can't be edited as text afterward. With your layers selected, right-click anywhere on the selection to open the context menu. From that menu, click Flatten. Figma will immediately merge everything you selected into a single layer. You'll notice the layer list condenses, and on the canvas, the merged object behaves like one continuous vector. This can improve performance in large files and makes moving, scaling, and exporting that element much cleaner. A few tips as you work. Flatten is best used once you're confident about the content and positioning. If you're merging text or intricate vectors, consider keeping an unflattened version elsewhere in your file as a backup so you can return to editable elements later if needed. You can also use the keyboard shortcut for flatten Command+E on Mac or Control+E on Windows to speed up the process. If you change your mind right after flattening, use undo to revert instantly. And to stay organized, rename the merged layer to something meaningful so teammates immediately understand what it is. That's it. Go to Figma, open your project, select your layers, right-click, and choose Flatten to merge them.